Hello, I'm Fawn, and I'm an RID nationally certified sign language interpreter. I'm also a video producer with 20 years of experience. I've been interpreting for 15 years. With the outbreak of COVID-19, many interpreters are concerned about the deaf community's access to information. Maybe you're an interpreter who would like to continue providing interpreting services but don't have the technical know-how. If your city is on lockdown, you may wonder what devices you need to get properly set up to work from home. I can offer some suggestions for getting your workspace set up. These suggestions are now on my blog. The link is below. Take a look and learn what it takes.